I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need an Activision account linked to your console or PC. Once linked, you can add friends across platforms. First, open Warzone and go straight to social. Do not use console friend lists. Choose Add Activision Friend and type the exact Activision ID including the pound sign and digits. Make sure capitalization and spacing match. Small errors stop the request. Once you send the request, watch the social panel for a confirmation. You can cancel and retry if necessary. Once you've started, verify every platform is connected in your Activision account settings. Missing links block crossplay friending. Next, find the friend's Activision ID. They should provide username hash 12,345,678, or you can copy it from their Activision profile. Type it exactly into Warzone's Add Friend field and hit send. If the request doesn't appear, wait a minute and check pending. Network blips can delay delivery, so resend only after confirming. Complete the process by having the other player accept the Activision friend request. Once accepted, invite them to your party in the social tab and launch the match. Make sure both of you have crossplay enabled and party privacy set to allow invites, because restrictive settings will block connections. If something goes wrong, recheck the Activision ID for typos, confirm all platforms are linked, sign out and back in, and then resend. This fix solves most cross-platform friend and invite issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.